Sugar up your sugar cones. They are getting an extra sweet makeover today by Sweet Tooth Fairy Megan Faulkner Brown. She is joining me to share ideas to sweeten up the ice cream bar, and the ice cream bar toppings are rapidly disappearing.
Like I said, what Oreos?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But Megan cracked me up. I walked in the kitchen. She goes, "Don't we look cute?" Because we do. We're like coordinated.
Yes,
but not
on purpose.
Let's pretend we texted each other.
When you're soul sisters, this happens.
You got it. You got it in the air.
Yes.
All right. What's the concept today?
Okay, so the concept is I mean, everybody loves an otter pop or push-up pops or whatever when you're poolside, but how fun to just elevate it a little bit, think a little outside the box, and this is just like an ice cream bar on steroids.
I love it. And here's the thing about summer. There's plenty of reasons to celebrate.
Oh.
I mean, bring on the holidays, bring on the parties.
Absolutely.
But you don't need a reason.
No,
it
just
could
like Tuesday.
Right. It's summer. It's a Tuesday in the summer. And we're having an ice cream bar.
We're having a party.
Okay, where do we start?
Okay, so I'm going to show you. So super simple. Just go to the grocery store, buy some cones, then get some melting chocolate. That you can get Sweet Tooth Fairy
in all
brand.
the colors.
Yes, in all the colors, all the flavors at Michael's.
What's your favorite flavor?
Oh, I love this kind of confetti one.
The confetti. Yeah.
It's so fun, and it already has sprinkles inside. But
built-in party.
Built-in party. Okay, so all you do, you melt it, grab a cone, and then dip like so.
This is our favorite little gadget.
Yes. And then you kind of just,
give it a shake.
give it a little shaky shake. Grab some
shake it
sprinkles.
off. Did you go to Taylor Swift?
I wish. I have not been able to find an organ to sell in order to afford tickets to go.
So me and you are the only two people on the planet, it feels like.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, these are fun.
Fun, right?
Yes.
One of them I did with like crushed Oreos. So you just pick whatever fun little embellishment or deliciousness you want to add.
You've got these stacked out, and something about the color just pulls them in. Like your kids are gonna be like, "Mom, you did it!
Yes.
Look at you!"
Well, and okay, talk about, I don't know, a famtivity. The fam can do a little activity together. You could make these ahead of time, like days or so ahead of time. Each kiddo or friend or neighborhood group, whatever they come over, they can all make their own little cone.
Did you just make up that word on the spot? A famtivity?
Yes.
I think
Somebody
you're writing a book.
that.
Somebody ghostwrite for her because she doesn't have time to write a book, but she should. All right, what's next?
Okay, so then, I mean, this is just an optional, mind you, we are under station lights.
Yes,
so this is a little melty, but in order to just kind of confine the slop and the mess, you could pre-scoop your scoops of ice cream.
Genius.
So then the kiddos, they just grab them, they plop them in their bowl. They're not like digging into all the different flavors and whatever.
For the party mom who's trying to do a million things, you can have these set in the freezer ahead of time.
Yes.
Done.
Totally. Absolutely.
Okay.
And I will say, since when we have a lot of different options for toppings, I kind of feel like you can go simple with your ice cream selection.
Thank you. You know when you're standing in front of the freezer section, you're like, what?
Overload.
Yeah, too much.
Yes. So then you can get your inclusions, your flavor, your texture, all your fun from the toppings.
And your Oreos or
What Oreos?
whatever's left of them.
Right. So look, we've got Nerds, Sour Patch Kids, Sprinkles, fresh strawberries. This I kind of went with more of like, there's granola, white chocolate, kind of a berry flavor. This is just fun and bright. And this is chocolate. This is chopped up cake bites. Highly recommend Sweet Tooth Fairy cake bites folded into your ice cream.
Yes.
So super good.
Yes. And look how cute just displayed in a muffin tin. The kids think they're at the ultimate ice cream bar.
Absolutely.
And really you've just done a little scoop of each.
Totally. And you can raid your pantry at home or like, I don't know, candy left over from Easter or something that you just have that you want to just get rid of, and they'll think it's so
Now
fun.
here comes the ultimate. I understand today you're spilling the sauce, as in the Faulkner family fudge recipe.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
What do we got?
This is a very highly technical recipe.
You liar.
I will say, this is a staple for the hundreds of people in our home growing up in Costa Mesa, California.
Yeah.
My mom would make these, and it was like people came over for hot fudge sundaes.
I love that.
So fun. So all it is a cube of butter, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
That's it?
Throw it in a microwave-safe bowl and nuke it for like a minute, 2 minutes, stir it all together, and I promise you on everything holy to me, it will literally change.
You're gonna wash down those Oreos.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Right?
So easy.
So
and
easy.
So good.
So yum.
Well, don't you want to be the mom, like your mom that was known for something, like the
100%.
hot fudge sundaes or whatever it is?
Yes, absolutely I do.
Look who I'm talking to. Don't you want to be known for something? I don't know, like, you know, cake bites, cupcakes, spring. Don't you want to be known for something? I mean, that's all we want.
I
known
just
for all the things.
don't want to traumatize my children too much.
What's the plan for summer? What's your mom game plan? Looking forward, marching forward.
Work.
Okay.
With my kiddos. They come up to in fact,
What?
come to our little factory and make all the things with us. And make some lollipops
I'm
with us.
sorry, I've never been invited to the mothership.
You're always invited.
Really?
Yes.
I'm coming.
Come.
Can I bring my
during
kids?
the summer. Absolutely.
Are you brave enough for that?
Yeah, they won't be put to work because there are laws against that.
Well, yes, but they could just throw sprinkles for fun.
Yes. Come.
Let's do it. We'll bring a camera.
Yeah.
We'll make a thing of it.
Okay.
I don't always bring a camera wherever I go, but I imagine it's going to be fun. And to see the inside workings
Yes.
of the Sweet Tooth Fairy?
Yes. Yeah.
Done.
Okay.
Thank you for that invitation.
You're welcome.
Where can we get the yummy treats you talked about and all of your fun products?
SweetToothFairy.com. Follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
Go to Michael's to get all the things.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Love you. Happy summer.
You
I'll be visiting
too.
soon.
Okay.
Stock up on the Oreos.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.